Hi, I'm Lisa Silverbrand from Recreated Designs, and I want to thank you for joining me in Sign Making 101 today. Signs have become incredibly popular over the last few years, and it's because they are so versatile. You can put signs in just about any room or space in your house, and no matter what your style decor, you can find a sign to match. You can pick signs up at a lot of different places, but it is so much more fun to make your own signs. You don't need any special tools or machines to make your own signs, and I'm going to show you in today's class 2 different ways to make any style of sign you'd like. And no matter what your artistic level or ability, you don't have to have great handwriting, you don't have to be able to space things out. I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks to getting beautiful signs. All you need is some scrap wood, some chalk, and some graphite paper, and I'm going to walk you through it all. You will be making signs for all over your house. You'll be giving them as gifts. You will not even believe how easy they are to make. So I want to thank you again for joining me. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get your wood ready, how to stain your wood with a couple of different methods, and how to get a distressed look if that's what you like, and we'll get right into sign making. I'll see you back shortly.